Hi everyone, my name is Crystal. I'm the owner of Rayvynne Fit. Rayvynne Fit is a holistic health, fitness, wellness, and well-being lifestyle coaching brand. I'm a certified health coach and fitness nutrition specialist with the American Council on Exercise. I have over 10 years experience in the health, fitness, and wellness industries. Rayvynne Fit is a holistic approach to health, fitness, and wellness. I help clients find the path to incorporate healthier living practices into their daily routines and practices that fit best with their personality. Rayvynne Fit is not a one-size-fits-all. My programs are curated and customized to fit the client's needs. My motto is holistic living, healthy living, and hope that I will be able to help you on your fitness, health, or wellness journey. Thank you. And again, my name is Crystal, owner of Rayvynne Fit, holistic living, healthy living. Thank you.